night falls slowly and the stars begin to glow, I hear your voice calling like a river pulling my soul.
Through the storms and silence, through every broken dream, your love keeps guiding me like moonlight on the sea.
I remember every promise written in the sky,
every tear that fell like rain when we said goodbye.
but my heart kept dancing to the rhythm of your name. Even when the distance tried to hide the flame,
I was lost in crowded places, searching for your eyes. Every road I traveled led me back to your light.
through the darkest night, your memory stays strong. Your love became the melody inside my every song.
No matter where the wind may blow,
No matter how far we may go,
our hearts beat in one rhythm. A love the world will never slow.
I will find my way back home, home inside your heart. No distance can break our love, no night can tear apart.
Through the pain and through the years, through every falling star, I will find my way back home, home inside your heart. Oh, oh, oh. Every whispered prayer carried your name. Every lonely sunset burned with our flame.
I kept your love safe deep inside my soul.
You became the missing piece that finally makes me whole. I followed every heartbeat, leading me to you. Every dream I chased slowly came true.
Now I stand beside you with nothing left to fear. Your love is my forever.
Your voice is all I hear. If the world fades into gray,
I'll still choose you every day.
even when the sky is falling, our love will never fade away. I will find my way back home, home inside your heart. No distance can break our love, no night can tear apart. Through the storms and through the fire, through every shining star, I will find my way back
until we grow old.
Your love is my sunrise, your smile is my paradise. I will find my way back home, home inside your heart. Through every broken moment, we'll never fall apart. Even when the world stands still, even when skies are